I'm in big trouble because that's a mess apparently, yet this is not. So yeah, we moved it and we found a new problem. All the softness from the cardboard, everything is starting to buckle in. The weight of the car is pushed down on top, but we cut the decking down and we've got the car balancing just now. So we managed to get a windscreen kind of in place, and it started raining, so we've done the best we could just to get it in and structurally it in place. Now, it does look a mess just now, but trust me, with a bit of cleaning up, this is going to be gorgeous. So for strengthening wise, we're going to have to build a frame inside. It's also going to help prop the shell up where it's supposed to be as well. Sitting there, it's kind of sagging down. So let's see what we can do about that. Oh dear, lighting's terrible. Right, so we managed to get a donation of a few crates. We split down 2 of them already into all the wood, so this is going to become the support structure for inside. So right now I'm going to knock some nails out, get some bits of wood ready. We're going to see about propping the car up and measuring and cutting a frame to fit in the floor. Once we've got the floor sorted, we'll start working up the way and propping up towards the roof of the car and all the structure points, just to give it that stability we need. Otherwise it's going to be a wonky donkey. So let's see what we can do about this. I'm even starting to look like this, I kid you not. I'm sliding in and out of here commando style. Right, we did get some wood, we've put it in. I'm not even going to try showing you how I get in here. See it in there. Right, so we're back, we're inside. Right, as you can see, we've got a strengthening support here going across. You can't see much because of the lack of light, but we have the side beams in both sides, connected by this piece and another piece further up here. So it's like a big square for the belly. The 2 struts coming off the back going down. We've got 2 smaller struts coming up at the front, one here and one at the other side, and they're locked in by a longer one at the front. Now the idea is, we've tried screws up underneath, they're just ripping out. So we need to put washers onto the screws and screw them in. Bigger clamping area, more force. And as we do that, we can move this further back and back and back, putting more in and more in until it's stitched together. We really need to get the back finished up, folded under, fiberglass, tough, because we can't really prop it up. Right now I have 2 brushes inside, pushed up to raise it up too high and then sunk into the ground, just to keep it floating a bit, just to keep the pressure from crushing in the side sills, because they are quite crushed. There's not much room to move in here whatsoever, but we need to start propping up the front at the top of the bonnet. We need to prop up the front edge of the roof, we need to prop up the roof, and then we need to prop up the back boot. So that's all that's going to be happening with the rest of the wood. So I'll try and get onto that over the next week or so, and I'll leave you guys with this lot. So yeah, progress so far. Donated wood going to good use. So thanks a lot for the boys at FirePlace World through in Bothwell. They gave me a shout, let me know there was crates there for using, and yeah, probably need to go back for more. So bye for now, guys. So yeah, wet weather is here to stay. So if I don't cut down these posts, we might be able to rig up a tarp tent up here, just to keep the rain off it when I need to do more fiberglassing. Talking of which, now some of the other white spots, like this stuff here, still tacky and hasn't set, but this stuff has. So I know that it will set. There's tons of water in with it. So for just now, we need to wait for a clearing in the weather, wait for it to dry and harden, and then we can grind everything back flat again. But it just stitches everything together, which was very hard to do in the wind and the water. So it just started pouring the rain. I was like, stuff it, I'm still laying it. Up here as well. But yeah, see if we can get a nice shot. It's just all popped and banged, but yeah, it's reasonable. Kind of looks a mess, but it'll clear up. Looks lovely, jubbly. Just can't wait till the frame's in it, it's strengthened, and we can get on to grinding this back and strengthening it. Really looking forward to polyfiller, body filler and paint. So yeah, loads of angles need tweaked. So that's what the framing will be about. I'll get on to breaking some wood apart and getting a stockpile of wood put together. That way we can start going in, taking measurements and raising stuff and fitting it. And then I'll get that video to you as soon as we can. Bye.